Hi everyone, welcome to KAPtion. If you want to see how I achieved this low bun, keep watching. Let's get to it. I'm starting out on an old twist out and I will section my hair into 4 different sections using the butterfly twist. I then use the Cantu Argon Oil Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream to moisturize my hair, and then I finger detangle to limit the amount of combs that I use. I recommend that you comb out your hair from ends to roots so you don't cause any damage or breakage. Now that I'm all done, I will part my hair and start the gelling process. I use my spray bottle filled with water only to spray the strands of my hair, and then I apply the Eco Styler gel. I then use a brush to flatten my hair. The white residue will disappear once your hair dries. Yes, hon, lay it. Spray with water, add gel, brush, and repeat. I then use this Jamaican black castor oil by Sunny Eyes to add a little shine and shimmer. I'm using the Morris Edgewax to control my edges. This is a cooling cloth, but I'm using it as a head tie for the purpose of this video. I like to mold my hair first before applying the hair tie. I usually use 2 to 3 hair ties to get my hair over the donut, and I put a little bit of gel so that my hair can lay over it. I use the rat tail comb to secure the ends of my hair under the bun. You can then apply 2 to 3 bobby pins to ensure security. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. My name is Shae. Thank you for coming to KAPtion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.